If you haven't heard of the app Restocks already, then you're probably living under a rock because that has definitely evolved to one of the most important tools for a sneakerhead or a reseller. So if you haven't already, make sure you head over to the App Store and you download the Restocks app now. The first thing it's going to do when you open it is it's going to ask you if you want to enable notifications. Now you're going to select enable because this application was originally developed for when certain stores and retailers restock certain items. It will send you push notifications, which you can then select or go to and add those products to your cart and check out within seconds. But as I mentioned this before, this app has evolved as one of the most efficient and effective ways to check out a product without a bot. So I'll show you how to do this now. So once you have the app open, you can navigate to the row on the bottom of your screen and select the icon with the 3 circles or dots. And when you are there, you can select the autofill page. As you can see, I have a profile active, and I'll show you what that looks like. It has a bunch of fake information in right now, but basically, when you create a profile, this is what it will look like. So to create a profile, you're going to select the Create New Profile page. You're going to name your profile whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. And then you're going to add your contact information. You're going to add your shipping and billing information, which need to match because of stores like Supreme, which require your shipping and billing address to be the exact same. And then you're going to add your payment information. When all of that is filled in correctly, you'll be able to save your profile. You'll go back and you will see you have a active profile. The next thing you need to do is go back to that page from the icon with the 3 dots, and you need to select the Your Sizes page. Here you'll select your shirt size, which is also your pants, jackets, etc., sweatshirts, all that. You need to select that size, and then you need to select your shoe size. Once you have that selected, make sure you hit the save button on the top right of your screen, and then you are ready to open Stores with Autofill. So basically, the only store that's different is Supreme, which was the first store that they had the open store with autofill feature. It is on the same page as the autofill in your sizes page. You can see it under extras. It says open Supreme shop. Now, as you can see right now, there are no products loaded because we are out of season, but during week 1, I will wait on this page and keep hitting reload until the products load, and then I will continue the process as normal, which I will now show you on another site or domain that has products loaded. So basically what you need to do is you need to select the icon with the circle and the plus sign in the middle of it. Here you can see all of the stores that Restocks monitors for restocks, but most of these you can also open with autofill. Down below, you can see Supremes, which I don't advise using. Use the Supreme autofill option that I showed you earlier. You also have Palace up here, which I will be using this Friday, which is the same right now as Supreme with no products loaded. So I will show you with Kith what it looks like. So when you find the store that you want to use for the release, you're going to select that store's icon, and then you're going to hit the open store with autofill link. This will basically open the mobile format of that website. And as you may be aware of, a lot of sites don't have product pages before the release. If that's the case, just go to the new arrivals page. It's probably your best bet. And you want to make sure, if you're at the all page or whatever it is, make sure it is sorted from date new to old. So before the release, you'll be waiting on the page, and you have a refresh button that you can hit before the release, and then at the time of the release, all the products will load to the page once you hit that refresh button. So once you have the product loaded to the page, or you are on the product page and you can add the product to your cart, all you have to do is basically choose what size you want and hit add to cart, buy now, whatever it is, and start the checkout process. Now, the first page has already completely been skipped. My contact information has been filled. I just have to select a shipping option, and then it will bring me to the payment information page. Just give it a second. All of your payment information will be loaded, and you will be ready to complete your order. Now, also during these very limited releases, you're obviously most likely going to have CAPTCHA. Don't worry, it is 10 times easier, maybe even 100 times easier to solve CAPTCHA on your phone than on your computer, which is just another reason why the Restocks app is one of the most efficient and effective ways to check out during a very limited release, making this tool one of the most important tools for a sneakerhead or reseller.